you are excited, angry, worried, obsessed, sad, frightened, or shocked. No matter what kinds of emotions, the pure awareness has no comments. The only functioning of the pure awareness is to be aware. The pure awareness is to receive, just receive what is given. No comments, no stories, no interpretations. All kinds of emotions do not affect the pure awareness. Pure awareness is untouchable, unpollutable, just like the weather types. No matter it's sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or even stormy, the weather types do not affect the space at all. Yet the space allows all kinds of weather types, just like the pure awareness just allows all kinds of emotions. So why not rest as